Okay, it's pretty clear to me. This is much later and was for the access for the electric poles. Here we are, back to the historical part, back to the tunnel that they dug in the 1100s. Crazy to think. And see this too. This could have been earlier. I bet it was, because it wasn't. And then probably later they wanted it bigger. So the question is, did it go along there and stay up high? I bet it did. And then this is clearly a trail too. I don't want to take it. No, I'm glad I didn't come from that way. Well, this is clearly part of it. But I bet it also stayed up high. Although you never know. I've just gone straight down. Where's that house? It's a good question. Old marker. Yeah. Alright, we gotta go down this way because this is the way it goes. Look at these walls. So amazing. Well, I kind of want to avoid bother the workers. I don't think that was it. But this is the proximity of it, so I don't know. There's mosquitoes around. Alright, let's keep going. I mean, this should be it. Which, as he said, that's a secondary. This should be it. Isn't it amazing how the trees go around the rocks? Can't you see it? Oh, yeah. See, this looks like it was dug out. I just hope we can get down. No, it's kind of a pity these old trees are going to disappear. Yeah. Wow, look at the wall over there. Okay, onward. This is sort of the wrong side, I think. But we found the historical spot. I'm pleased about that. Good goodness, look at that. You can see the bay. You can see Yokosuka-chuo. It's those buildings over there. Shiori and Yokosuka-chuo. Look at these trees. They really shouldn't remove them. They're going to, though, and they shouldn't. It's really sad, actually. Really sad. Well, as I say, life has changed. Whether I like it or not. Whether any of us like it or not, right? This is really cool, though. This is really cool. Look at that. It's too bad to lose a little trees, though. Yeah, there's the highway. See, my thought was that the highway access was down there, but honestly, this is more gradual. It makes more sense that this was a trail rather than suddenly going up by the tunnel. I think people just use that for access. Yeah, see, there's Route 16, National Route. Parts of it, probably, which are kind of later. No, I bet this is the original. I love this fungus. Yeah, this is definitely it. Wow, these trees. It's amazing. Glad I got to see some of them before they got rid of them. Yeah, this is amazing. This is Taura. Oh. Oh wow, look at that fungus. The orange. That's beautiful. See, it doesn't seem, look at that, again, look how the tree moved around the rock. This would have been like a resting spot. Tea houses anyway? It is interesting though. I don't think there were houses up here. This seems too remote. Well, I was really lucky that I found this because I ended up going a route I didn't expect. And if I tried to go through those houses, it wouldn't have been much fun. So this was awesome. Absolutely awesome. Still have a ways down to go. See, my hunch was that we'd go by those houses. You see the tower over there where I was earlier. I figured we'd have to enter there because all of the trail guides mentioned that, but they're all too lazy to come this way probably. Well, people only know what they know, right? Yeah, this is definitely the old trail. You can really see Route 16 now. Yeah. The rocks. Old trail. I have to say it's quite gradual. Of course, it's not like they have super high mountains here. It's not like we're in the Alps. Interesting effect of the bamboo. Fence. Okay, I'll have to watch it here. Oh, here we go. Oh, this may be slippery. Oof. That's an old house. Here we go. That's an old house too. Yeah, see, it's rather inauspicious, right? Yeah, that's an Nokia. Nice pot. Okay. Yeah? Wow, look at this place. Looks like it would have been a tea house along here, right? Yeah, look at this. That's been an Nokia for a while. Wow, look at that blue. It's occupied. I'm curious to see exactly where we come out. Yeah, it'd be hard to find it. Unless you really, really wanted to. Crazy people like me. Okay. We're still not down. Nope. Hard to say. It may be occupied. Oh, beautiful flower. Look at that. Okay. Steps on the other side. Just inauspiciously in the neighborhood. This ancient trail. So there you have it. And we're back to Route 16.